Welcome back to the channel. Today we are actually going and staying at a campsite. It's Stu and myself at the minute. We are doing a little convoy, although I have lost Stu somewhere in this traffic. We're just going in Sanos. It's been a hectic morning, absolutely hectic. Before like 9:30 I'd been to Halfords, Tesco's, Decathlon, Post Office, Lidl's, everything. But it's glorious weather, although it is pretty windy. And we are meeting up with one of our friends there, and you could check him out on Instagram actually. It's Van Docks. He's got a wicked looking crafter, so it's actually a bit of craddy boys today. It's crafters and caddies. I'm actually looking forward to going on a campsite because we can put the awning up, we can have a fire, there's no issues or no risk of being moved on by anyone, is there? So I'm actually really looking forward to it. It's about an hour away from where I live. It's up in Settleway, Yorkshire Dales, so we're going there. No Alison, but we have got company today, haven't we, Roxy? Sit down here now, you need to chill out. Look, we're going on she's been a bit antsy this morning because Alison went out and she thought she was being left as well, but I told you, you're coming on holiday with me and your Uncle Stu. So we've got a bit of puppy company today, and yeah, looking forward to this one. It should be a decent little camp out. I've even got a new knife and a skillet pan, so I'm going to try and cook without Alison. I bought peppers, onions. This could go one of two ways. I have forgot the crimpet though, which was actually what I really needed to bring, and I've just realised. Brilliant. So yeah, we will catch up with you a bit further up, because at the minute we are just on the outskirts of Manchester, and there's nothing fun about the outskirts of Manchester really. Nothing at all. Catch up with you up the road, Caddy boys and girls. Get out and assess the situation. Mate, I've bought, look, I've got my fucking Thailand chopping board.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah, I'm filming now actually.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. And then I've got my Thailand, and then my new knife. Crocodile Dundee.
Is that what they're going to use on you next week?
Yeah. Just putting that in my bollocks.
Proper weapon, that, isn't it?
So I was gonna cook some, and then my skillet.
Should we go get a pizza?
I'm going to go get a pizza.
Here?
Yeah.
Alright, well you go and get a fucking pizza then, do you know what I mean? Filming off, showing off now, you're on
you fucking wanted me to get a pizza for your video idea.
Oh, you've just given them the fucking video idea now.
Well, edit it out. Cock, piss, bollocks, tits, wank, badge.
You go and get a pizza. Ask her if she's still open in a bit, just in case this all goes terribly wrong. Right. We're gonna make my wraps now. Are you okay with this? Let's make these wraps. So we have. Oh, there's too many beers. Right, let's move the beers out of the way. We've got steak, we've got onions, that's a stretch, and we've got some peppers. What do you think to this, Roxy? Do you think I should get a pizza, or do you think I should make this? I'm going to make this. I've got some gas, which is always good. I've actually got a new lighter as well, which I'm hoping will light in any kind of situation. Jumping board. don't even know how you're supposed to chop peppers. Oh, I've not chopped it enough there. It's a bit thick, that piece. Oh, it's nice, well sharp. Oh my god, this is an absolute joke. Yeah, I'll just do it like that. Hey, how'd you cut a pepper up?
Knife for real?
Did you cut that bit out?
Yeah.
I've cut myself already, this is nice, well sharp.
Have you survived to be your age?
Well, I've never cooked a pepper before, so...
It's like watching Gordon Ramsay.
Something like that, and it's more like a chimp trying to fucking work a computer.
What do you do with all these leftover shit? I'm not going to use all this pepper.
You put them in the bin, or you eat them.
You just cut it in half and put half in the fridge.
Don't eat the white bit, it's poisonous.
No, it's not. Right, I'm hoping that this will warm up enough. Got the old ribeye. Right, you put veg on first. Would you put veg on first? Or
No. If you're doing steak, you cook the steak hot and quick, and then you let it rest while you do the vegetables.
what, would you do the veg on a separate pan?
No, because if you cook the steak, you get all juices that are tasty. And you cook,
Steak juice.
yeah, and you cook the veggies in the steak juice.
I'm going to have to stop myself from bleeding.
Do you want me to see if I've got a plaster?
Yeah, please. How'd you even open this steak? It's going tits up, this. Well, do you know what? It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm doing alright here. It's not as bad. Look, I've got the peppers and onions, cumyons on the go. Steak on the go. No, let's not try. Roxy, please just eat it. You don't have to bury it. Look, you can eat it. No. Burying your tea is not good. Just eat it. That's better. That's a good puppy. I'm alright.
Roxy, fucking intense concentration.
I know, yeah, she's looking at this, isn't she?
She's impossible to shoot.
She's ridiculous, isn't she? It's a joke how cute she is. I mean, it's alright.
Yeah. So you made it?
I made it on my own.
Yeah.
I pour some into Roxy's bowl.
Oh my god. She's going to be in heaven. Oh my god, she's got loads there.
No. Oh, we've got one.
Oh, we've got
One
a
who's
fan.
impressed with a steak.
It's pained his hair, but I've been there all day and never seen anybody.
No, mate, in that Ducato we used to tie.
Fuck's sake.
And he
Starting to rain pretty bad now, and Roxy just wants to get comfy, don't you? So I'm going to blow my bed up, ready for tonight, and then I'm going to go and sit with the lads in Mark's crafter. So that's the bed done. I don't actually think it'll be that cold tonight, so I'm not sleeping in a sleeping bag. I'm actually just going to use this blanket instead. So we'll see how we go on. Could be warm enough in that, don't you? Hey? Do you think I'll be warm enough in that, puppy? I think so. She's not impressed at all, is she? Let's be honest, she's a house dog. I'm in bed now. There's not been much to go on because it's pissed it down pretty much all night. But now we've got the projector on the go. Roxy's having a bit of a chill. Diesel heater's on. I don't know if you can hear it actually, it's just out of there a little bit. It's time to get in bed now, isn't it, Roxy? Hey, are you impressed? This is the, what I was saying, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but I've now got this tablet hooked up to a, you ignore the EBP, they made it a piss bottle, but hooked up to this now, which goes into a HDMI into the side of the projector, which means now that off-grid, I've got Rick and Morty in now because I was like, what can I download that's quick and easy? But off-grid now, doesn't matter wherever I am, I can watch films. So I'm buzzing about that. This is an actual game changer for me, to be able to watch films off-grid wherever I am. So I'm gonna get in bed and have a sleep. Well, actually I'm gonna watch a bit of Rick and Morty first and then fall asleep. I'll catch you in the morning. Hopefully it's nicer and we can, you know, we can cut some stuff and have a look around this campsite. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Well, that's alright, but it is blowing an absolute gale out there right now. Did you sleep alright, puppy? Hey? You sleep okay? Did you? Yeah, no? I think she did. She didn't get up and mind for me anyway. There's one issue now. I've left all my brewing up stuff in this little pod down here. So, to make a brew, I've got to get out of the van. I didn't preempt it last night like I usually do and bring my jet boil in here or even my little kettle. So, I'm going to have to get up, get all that out there to make a brew. Brilliant. Might go and see if Mark's up actually and just get him to use the coffee machine. That's proper camping that, isn't it? Or glamping. Having a coffee machine in your van. Right, best get up. Big Stu, we've not actually said hi to you on this video. I'm hoping, this is my new camera, so I'm hoping the mic is alright on it.
Let me do my hair.
Let's do your hair first.
There we go.
Right, that's, yeah, it's beautiful.
Blue steel.
Blue steel. Oatly bottly. Some cheese. Forgive me for the oatly bottly. It was all they had. Oh, it's getting windy again. Hopefully the jet boil will manage it. I hope I cleaned this. I think I did, but I'm sure I did. Oh yeah, I did. Motherfucker. This is the issue I had with this fucking pan last time. Here we go, here we go. Oh my god. Well, I'm definitely using the jet boil now because this pan's just got on the floor. I'm having a fucking nightmare here. About 8 slices there. Yeah, I've left my tongs. I don't know where my tongs have gone. Oh, it's alright now, mate. I've got these. Motherfucker. You can tell I'm a joke about Alison, can't you? Well, in my defence, it is ridiculously windy. do wish I could cook inside of this caddy. I think it's the only thing that lets me down. Ketchup on. A couple of slices of plastic cheese. Boiled that kettle pretty quick. There's only a 44% battery left on the EcoFlow, but that's charge my projector, run my fridge and boil the kettle. So it's not bad. Bone apple tea, loving it. Yeah, it's great, isn't it?
Camping.
Look at him there. The only in the craddy. In the craddy. Look, feet up.
Heater on.
Look at that. And then that little, I can't get over that little panel me. Oh my god. How the other half lives, eh? Jesus Christ. And if you don't subscribe to Mark, Vandox21, isn't it? Vandox21 on YouTube. And if you want to know how to do anything on a crafter to make it look as cool as this one, then give him a follow. A little fridge there, full of Desperados, which this fridge opens both sides. And he brought limes. And then you go like this. Can't get over this fridge, to be fair. Opens from that side as well. With a little Asda caramel chew in there.
Oh yeah.
It's stupidly windy and stupidly muddy, so you probably can't hear a lot of what I'm saying here because I've not put a mic in this. But these are stuck. And this sweet Defender's going to try and get it out. See that Defender was a 1987 Defender,
Yeah.
and that Peugeot was a 2015. So that's how far we've come.
Yeah.
That's how far we've come in like 30 odd years. Is nowhere. Right, I'm packed up, so I'm going to give it a try now on mine in a minute. We've got Mark out. Let's see if we'll get the little old trusty caddy out.
Try and get it in second as soon as you can, mate.
Right, okay. Here we go. Oh, he's out.
Oh, right over there.
Pleasure as always, Stu.
Nice meeting, mate.
See you again.
Good to meet you in person this time, mate. Until the next one.
Yeah.
And don't forget, Vandox21, subscribe. Well, the end of another epic camp out. I mean, weather let it down a little bit. I'll say that the weather let it down a tiny little bit. But it is what it is, isn't it? What else would you be doing? You'd be sat at home. So would I rather be muddy and having a laugh, or sat at home watching Netflix? Yeah, I'd probably take the muddy and having a laugh. But it was good to actually meet Mark Doc from Vandox21, and if you've not subscribed, please go and have a look at his channel. He's got a lovely crafter, absolutely glorious It's like, I mean, every adjective you can think about it, but it's giving me proper crafter envy, that one. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have enjoyed the video, then please consider liking and subscribing. It'd be really appreciated. We're getting some good traction on this little channel, and there's definitely some more camp ups coming up. I'm hoping to be out next weekend, so maybe I'll have 2 or 3 videos out on the bounce, which would be amazing for me at this moment in time. I want to say a big thanks as well to all the recent subscribers. Really appreciate that. Thank you very much for subscribing. I hope you enjoy the content that's coming up as well, because there is going to be some stuff out this year. Like I say, the big one coming up, I suppose, is going to be Camper Jam, but then there's going to be loads of other little ones dotted in between that. And hopefully I'm going to get like a new sleeping arrangement in the back of this caddy to make it a little bit nicer for when I'm on my own. But that being said, it's time to go home, get cleaned out of these muddy clothes, and back to reality. Work tomorrow. Take it easy, and I'll see you on the next video.